Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will present the summary and story of The Mayor of Casterbridge, which is a novel and which is written by Thomas Hardy in 1866. The story starts in 1820. It is the story of Henchard's family. Michael Henchard, who is the head of the family, comes to a village in search of some jobs. Along with him is his wife Susan Henchard and his daughter Elizabeth Jane. On the way, they stop in a tent for some meal. Michael Henchard drinks wine so too much, and in his intoxication, he sells his wife and daughter to Richard Newson, who is a seller. Susan gets angry, but she goes with Richard Newson along her daughter Elizabeth Jane. Michael Henchard falls asleep, and when he gets up the next morning, he was feeling very guilty for what he has done to Susan. He searches his wife and daughter, but in vain. So Henchard goes to Casterbridge. Then the story starts after 18 years. Susan comes to the same village where she was departed from her husband. In the village, she is told to go to Casterbridge if she wants to search her husband. Here it should be noted that her husband Richard has died, so she is free now. Okay, when she reaches Casterbridge, she comes to know that Michael Henchard has become the mayor of Casterbridge. She comes to know that Michael Henchard has become the mayor of Casterbridge. In Casterbridge, she comes to know that Henchard is staying in a hotel, the Golden Crown. She wants to meet him but feels a kind of hesitation. So she stays in the nearby hotel, but she does not have money to pay the bill of the hotel. So her daughter Elizabeth starts working as a waitress. Susan then calls him, that is Michael Henchard, through a letter. They meet each other and marries once again. Henchard's manager, Donald Farfree, comes very near to Elizabeth, and he likes Elizabeth very much. All the villagers like Farfree very much. He becomes famous among the villagers. Henchard does not want Farfree to come near to Elizabeth. On the other hand, Susan dies. Henchard tells the whole story to her daughter Elizabeth. She accepts him as her father. Suddenly, they see a letter which was written by Susan before her death. The letter revealed that Elizabeth was not Henchard's daughter. Rather, she was Richard's daughter. Hearing this, that Elizabeth is not Michael Henchard's daughter, he treats Elizabeth very cruelly, and she goes to the graveyard of her mother, and there she meets Losetta. Losetta, who was the Michael Henchard's former girlfriend. She takes Elizabeth to her home. She takes her to her home because she wants to meet Michael Henchard through this way. But contrary to her expectation, Farfree comes to Losetta's house. Farfree likes Losetta. Losetta also likes him very much. On the other hand, a person, Job, tells Michael Hencher to buy some crops for business, because this year the weather will not be very good and there will be a shortage of crops. So Michael Hencher buys some wheat and other crops, but contrary to Job's expectations, the weather was not so bad. So Michael Hencher got great loss in this business. Henchard now goes to Luceta's home and threatens her to marry him, lest he will public all her letters. Luceta tells him about her marriage with Farfree, and Michael Henchard gets frustrated and starts drinking once again. He gives Luceta's all letters to a person by the name Job and tells him to hand over all these letters to Luceta. But Job dislikes Luceta, so he makes all the letters public. The whole society now started treating Luceta as a bad girl. After some time, Luceta dies, and Henchard sells all his property to for free. Now a new turn comes in the story. Richard Susan's husband reappears on the screen. He was not dead. His death was just a drama. Now he comes to take her daughter, but Michael Hencher does not want to lose Elizabeth. So he tells Richard that is Elizabeth, has died. Richard goes back. Michael Henchard cannot look after Elizabeth in the best possible way, because he was having no money. So one day he leaves Casterbridge for free, marries Elizabeth at the end of the novel, and Richard attends the marriage ceremony and dances a lot for free. And Elizabeth searches for Michael Henchard, but they come to know that Henchard has died. So this was the novel. This way the novel comes to an end, and it was all about the novel and its story. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, kindly subscribe my channel so that you may get new notification. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.